Okay, let's do it. First of all, we're gonna go to the dev47apps.com page. We're gonna get the DroidCam client, which is gonna be another .exe file. Like any other. You gotta install it. Just press continue, click continue, continue, and then we are done. After that, we're gonna go to DroidCam app, this little shortcut over here. We're gonna open it, and then we're gonna let it be, at least for now. Okay, next step is going to device manager, and then we're gonna go to the camera section. In this section, we are gonna disable the camera. If you have one camera in this section, you gotta disable it. Right now mine is disabled. Okay, so that's it. Now we're gonna go to our phones, or Android phones, and then we're gonna download the DroidCam client from the Play Store, the Google Play Store. Okay. After it is installed, we have to open it. And then we're gonna connect this phone and this computer to the same network. After we do that, we have to connect our phones and our computers via IP. Okay, for example, right now my IP, or the IP that I have for my phone, it's 192.168.1.123. Okay, you're gonna type that one, and then we're gonna start connection. You're gonna start the connection, and then voila, our phones are acting as webcams. They are working as webcams. Now we're gonna go to the game, to Rainbow Six. Okay. Okay, now that the game's ready, we are gonna go to the character customization part of this game, and then you're gonna go to face and to the webcam option. Then, as you can see, the webcam is enabled. My phone is working as a webcam, so you can use this function. I'm not gonna test it right now, but as you can see, you're ready to go, and you're ready to create your character using your phone as a webcam for Rainbow Six Vegas 2. So that's gonna be all. Have a good one until we meet again. See you later, alligators.